Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn how to create and upload a resume into Skills First to be reviewed. So let's get started. The first step is to log on to maryvillecollege.edu, scroll over to the Quick Links section, and then click on Handshake. All right, once you've logged into Handshake, you can scroll over to the left-hand side and click on Career Center, and click on the Resources tab, which will then take you to this page right here. And let's go ahead and click on Skills First, Resume Creator. Okay. Once you reach this particular section, I do want to bring to your attention these helpful guides. So if you are ever confused or need some additional assistance or additional reading, to review and study how to create a resume or a CV, or if you need additional assistance with creating resume headings, feel free to check out these guides right here. Let's go ahead and log into Skills First. All right, so once you have logged into Skills First, you're going to click over here on Create a Resume. And then it does give you some options about uploading a resume, editing a sample, or starting from scratch. Let's go ahead and choose to edit the sample. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to choose the best recommended template. So that will be this one right here. So the next thing we're going to do when we are selecting a resume sample is we're going to type in the keywords Maryville College-foundational resume, and that should be RESUME. And we are going to choose this one right here. So let's click on Preview. All right, now we are logged in and ready to go. So whenever you have chosen the Bearfort template and you've also chosen the Maryville College Foundational Resume Guide sample, you are now ready to begin editing your resume. So you can see here just my little sample resume. And I'll scroll back up so you can see what it looks like. So what you need to choose in order to begin editing the resume is click on the Edit button right here. And as you can see here, it will bring you to this page full of different options. So in order to edit the contact information, you would simply select Contact. To edit Education, select Education. To edit Honors, you edit Honors, Experience, Activities, Skills, etc. If you need to add a section, you would choose Add Section right here. But you would simply just click on each of the tabs, input the necessary information, and you would select Save. And let's say that you wanted to remove something, you would simply click on these three dots and click on either Edit if you needed to edit, or if you want to completely remove it, then you would choose Delete. So I'm going to pretend that I have selected each of these tabs and I've done all of my inputting and editing, and I am ready to preview it to be submitted. I would simply select Preview. Okay, and I would look through it and just proofread it one more time before I submit it. Okay, if you are simply just creating a resume within this format and you need to save it, you do have the option to download it. There's also a clone option, this type of share option, and then if you click these three dots right here, you can also see that you can edit the name, you can download the PDF, or you can completely delete it and start over. Okay, there are also some different sections right here that you can kind of toggle with, but I'm pretty sure that I want to stay with this specific format and that everything looks good to go. Now, in order for me to upload it and submit it to be reviewed, I would simply click on Submit for Human Review, scroll over to Select Review Group, and then click on Career Center. And then after doing so, I would click on Submit in order to get it sent to the Career Center. If you need to add a comment, you can do so right here. You simply just type it in. So you would select Career Center, type in your comments, and then click Submit. And after doing so, your resume should be submitted to the Career Center for review. If you have any questions or concerns or need further assistance, feel free to book an appointment with the Career Center via handshake or by emailing careercenter@maryvillecollege.edu.